1. It is more sanitary to remove pubic hair. The truth is that shaving your pubic hair has absolutely no positive impact on cleanliness. Actually, pubic hair serves a crucial function, serving as a barrier to lessen friction during sex and keep dirt and dangerous pathogens from getting into your vagina. 2. Shaving promotes thicker, darker hair growth. Your hair's thickness and color are unaffected by shaving. Shaving removes hair from the skin's surface. Therefore, the blunt tip lacks the longer hair's naturally lighter, tapering ends as it begins to grow anew. This gives the impression that the hair is thicker and darker than it actually is. 3. Darker skin tones will not respond to laser hair removal. With the development of technology, more sophisticated lasers are now available that can treat those with dark skin and black hair. In actuality, the only people who shouldn't undergo laser hair removal are those with very light or gray hair. 4. If you shave your face, a beard will develop. Shaving facial hair gives the hair a blunt tip, similar to shaving body hair, but it doesn't reach deeper to impact the hair's base. In actuality, your genes mostly determine how quickly your facial hair grows. 5. Between laser sessions, avoid shaving. The exact opposite is true. Waxing or plucking the hair is not advised because the laser targets the hair follicle rather than the hair on the surface. Shave instead the day before every appointment. 6. Ingrown hairs can be tweezed. Ingrown hairs can become infected and leave scars if they are squeezed or picked out. It is best to simply keep the area dry and clean while delaying hair removal until the ingrown hair has had time to cure naturally. 7. If you pluck a gray hair, 3 more will grow back in its place. However, the hair will still grow back white or gray, it won't return to its original color. 8. Waxing results in wrinkles and sagging skin. There is no proof that waxing impacts your skin's suppleness, even though it can lead to ingrown hairs and skin discomfort. In actuality, a variety of variables, such as aging-related collagen loss, genetics, and UV exposure, contribute to wrinkles and sagging skin. 9. After shaving your armpit hair, you sweat less. You won't sweat less if you shave your armpits because shaving has no effect on the sweat glands that create perspiration. When your perspiration and the microorganisms on your skin combine, a stench results. This is because the body odor scent isn't truly produced by sweat.